Hey David, I need to use a ladder to do some maintenance work. Can you tell me how to use it safely?
Sure, Esther. First, make sure you really need to use a ladder. If you can avoid working at height, consider alternatives such as a scaffold or mobile elevated work platform.
Okay, got it. What should I do if I have to use a ladder?
Start by choosing the right ladder for the job. Check for damage and make sure the ladder is set up on a clean, flat, and stable surface. Rest the ladder against a solid surface and apply the 1-in-4 rule for stability.
What's the 1-in-4 rule?
For every 4 feet of ladder height, the base should be 1 foot away from the wall or structure it rests against. Also, make sure the ladder is secured at the top and the rungs are level.
What about climbing the ladder?
Always maintain 3 points of contact when climbing the ladder and do not carry anything in your hands. If you need to bring tools or equipment, put them in a bag or attach them to your belt.
And what about walking from the ladder?
Do not walk from the top 3 rungs of the ladder and do not lean or reach away from the ladder. Finally, climb down safely when you're done.
Thanks, David. That's really helpful. Do you have any other tips?
Yes, I recommend using the ladder checklist on the Proactively mobile app to help work safely with ladders. Following these guides will help you and your colleagues stay safe when working with ladders.